be that hype. I don't want to scare y'all away. But welcome back to my channel. G is for the good life. I'm your girl Gigi, and today we are going to be making corned beef and cabbage, and it's all going to be done in the Instapot. Yes, y'all, in an Instapot. So this is my first time making corned beef, but from what I hear, it's pretty easy. You just stick the meat in the pot, put the seasoning on, and let it cook. The main thing is the tenderness. You know, people like things to be tenderized. Just like when you cook goat, you know, the goat's meat. Forget my accent. My accent is horrible, but, you know, anywho. But the goat meat needs to be very tender. No, it's not going to taste good. Same thing with oxtail. So there's certain meats that needs to be very tender. And corned beef is one of them. No one like tough, rubbery corned beef. And from what I hear, when you cook it in the Instapot, it comes out really tender. So we're going to put that to the test, and we're going to see if it comes out tender. So today is Monday. I usually don't make videos on Monday, but hey, I've been gone for a week. Sorry for my absence. My little one had the flu. I was nursing him back to health. So I apologize, but this week we will be having a few videos lined up for you. But the first video that we're going to get into this week will be the corned beef. So just stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so this is the corned beef. All I did was open up the package and I dumped out the corned beef brisket in the pot here. And then I added the seasoning packet, and then I added some minced garlic. The recipe called for like 4 cloves of garlic, but I just went ahead and just add some minced garlic. So that's in there. And then what I'm gonna do is, we're doing this in real time, y'all. All right. Back up so y'all can see. It's a one-woman show here. Alright, so I have it where it's locked in there. And then I make sure that the steam valve is turned all the way to the right. So that means it's sealed. So it can pressurize, okay, and cook. So I'm going to cook this for 90 minutes. I'm going to hit meat stew. And then I'm going to put it on for 90 minutes. And then I will see you guys back when I put the vegetables in. I'm gonna put it back. I have it for an hour and 30 minutes. So it's gonna go ahead and it's going to pressurize. And hopefully in 90 minutes I have some tender, wonderful corned beef. And then I'm going to add the cabbage and the carrots and pressure cook those for a few minutes as well. So the corned beef is finished, and I already opened it just to peek at it, and I already took a little piece, but this is what it looks like. And it is pretty tender. I took a knife and it just falls off. And it's actually really good. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove the brisket off of the rack. I'm just going to move it, and I'm going to place it like on a plate. Let me show you how tender it is. So it's like really tender. Look at that. It's like really tender. Very tender. And I tasted it, and it was like really good too. Had lots of flavor. It's not rubbery, because for those of you who eat corned beef, you know I'm talking about that tough rubbery. It's not like that. It's juicy. And it has, you know, good texture to it. Nice and moist. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. And then I'm going to actually I'm going to keep the juices in here. And I'm going to make the cabbage and the carrots in here as well. And then I'm going to serve it all on one plate. So I'll let you know. I'll let you guys see what it looks like in just a minute. All right, so I just added my cabbage and my baby carrots into the Instapot, and I kept the broth that was left behind from the corned beef to give it its extra flavor. No added butter. I just added some Mrs. Dash to it and a little bit of salt. And now I'm getting ready to pressure cook my vegetables and make sure that my valve is turned. So it's still a little hot from the corned beef. So I want to make sure that it is turned all the way and locked in place. Okay, so this is when you release it, and then to lock it, you do it that way. Okay, so I'm making sure everything is good to go, and we're just going to just do pressure cook, and we're just going to do 7 minutes, and it should be done in a minute. So we are all done. Our meal is all ready, and it only took about probably 2 hours, but not 2 hours of slaving over a hot stove. I let the Instant Pot do all of the work. I put the corned beef in there for 90 minutes, and then after that, I put the carrots and the cabbage in there for 7 minutes, and this is how it came out. So beautiful, beautiful dinner. Like I said, you know, I know St. Patrick's Day was yesterday, but it's okay. We having our corned beef and cabbage today, and this is a great keto meal as well, low in carbs, and very tasty and very filling. I cannot wait. This is gonna be delicious, y'all. All right, so make sure that if you haven't already done so, make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you like this video if you found it to be helpful. And don't forget to share as well. You can also follow me on Instagram. G is for the good life. G, the number 4, is for the good life. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.